I recently purchased these cargo bin dividers for my 2021 Honda Pilot. You get 4 plastic dividers, and that splits your cargo area into 5 separate bins. Honda's retail price for these dividers is $65, but there are some dealerships that have online parts departments selling them for less. You can find these dividers on Amazon. I included a link to them in the description below. The installation of the dividers is super easy. You don't need any tools or hardware. All you have to do is just slip them into the 4 slots that are already pre-positioned in the cargo bin. Now you can see that there is a little gap between the divider and the trunk floor, but that just seems to be part of the design. I've owned these for a few months and have not heard any rattles, and they work pretty well. I think it was a very good purchase.